Engineer Babu presents a secure process automation system built for the Nigerian government. Built in collaboration with the Nigerian Air Force, BPMS was designed to digitize internal operations, bringing structure, speed, and accountability to approval workflows that power critical administrative functions. Previously, routine requests were routed manually across departments, leading to delays, paperwork loss, and lack of visibility. With no centralized system in place, tracking approvals across branches was time-consuming and error-prone. BPMS solves this with a fully web-based, role-driven automation system. From document initiation to multi-level verification, the entire process is digitized, trackable, and access controlled. The platform supports branching logic, conditional routing, and real-time remarks, enabling faster decision-making without breaking command hierarchy. Let's take a closer look. Every user begins with secure Keycloak login. Password recovery uses OTP authentication, and first-time access leads to a guided entry point, customized per role. Raising a request begins with selecting form type and entering structured data. The user can tag the right department, attach files, and initiate the process with a single click. From there, the request moves through a step-by-step approval path. Each action is recorded: forward, return, approval, along with timestamp and officer details. Different branches follow different paths. Field state branches, independent offices, and directorates each have their own approval logic configured into the platform's core. A verifier only sees what they need. Approvers view pending requests with digital sign-off options. No distractions, no overreach, just focused, functional access. Authorized admins can manage branch details, unit structures, and escalation routes without developer access. It's built to adapt as your institution evolves. Activity is fully traceable. Every action by every user is logged. Filters allow searches by office, status, or user type, making audits quick and confident. In a typical request cycle, a clerk logs in, uploads a document, adds the necessary detail, and forwards it. If rejected, the system alerts them immediately. Once approved, the document is digitally stamped and marked for dispatch. BPMS includes role-based dashboards, dynamic approval routing, multi-branch workflows, real-time status tracking, and central audit logs, all optimized for desktop and secure internal use. All operations are fully encrypted, and data access is restricted by design. Screens shown are illustrative only. Core data structures and approval hierarchies remain confidential. Engineer Babu is proud to contribute to mission-aligned digital transformation.